Today, let's make a classic 5-ingredient bread and enjoy the satisfying reality of homemade baking. In a mixing bowl, add 500 grams bread flour, 7 grams instant yeast, 6 grams salt, and 300 grams water. Mix on low speed with a stand mixer until everything comes together and forms a dough. Increase the speed and continue mixing until the dough looks smooth. This takes about 5 minutes. Next, add 30 grams softened butter and keep mixing for about 8 minutes until the dough feels smooth and pliable. Do a window pane test. Gently pull the dough. It should become thin without tearing. Divide the dough into 8 equal pieces and roll them into balls. Cover and let the dough rest for 30 minutes. After resting, lightly dust the dough with flour and gently flatten it to release any air bubbles. Starting from one end, roll it up just like this. Lightly brush some water over the shaped dough, then gently dip the wet side into the sesame seeds. Arrange the dough in a lined rectangular pan, leaving some space between each piece. Cover and let the dough rise until doubled in size. Bake in a preheated oven at 180 degrees Celsius for 25 to 30 minutes or until fully baked and golden brown. Remove the bread from the pan and place it on a cooling rack. Look at that beautiful brown crust. The bread rose nice and tall. Nothing tastes better than freshly baked bread. Give it a try and let me know how it turns out. If you enjoyed this recipe, a like or a share would really be appreciated. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.